Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so I hope you liked my last video, which was about reported speech, and I hope people are very clear now when to use reported speech and how to use. And today I decided to talk about adjectives. What about adjectives, you must be wondering. So this is what we'll be talking about. Well, sometimes we see certain things and we want to describe them, and we use more than one adjective to describe them because they are so good. And this actually came to my head because today one of my students, she was describing something that she bought yesterday, and it was all over the place. Honestly, she used so many adjectives. She was describing this t-shirt, so she was describing the material, and it was lovely. And probably she also told me, oh, this is where it was from, and da 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 blah blah. But honestly, it was not good because believe it or not, we can use adjectives, all right, as many as we want, but there is an order. Yes, there is an order. In which order do we use our adjectives? Something that we use to describe something, all right? So let's say if you want to describe a beautiful painting, or you bought a handbag and you want to tell it to me, oh, it is amazing, and it's new, it's made of leather, and da-da. All those things, all those adjectives have to have an order. Yes, trust me. English is painful, isn't it? Yeah, I know how you feel, but hang in there. After today, you would know how to use your adjectives and use them in the correct order, okay? So again, without wasting much time, we will go to our board work. That's right. Let's go. Okay. Ta-da! That's where here. So, like I said, we're going to be looking at adjective orders when you want to use more than one adjective. So, this is what we have to do. So, when we talk about adjective, there are two kinds. One is our opinion, what we think of something. That's our opinion. So, if I think something is beautiful, this is my opinion, all right? You might not find it beautiful. That will be your opinion. So, you can find it ugly. Probably, I don't know. Okay, so again, that is your opinion adjective. When you think of something, the way you look at something, that is your opinion, and that is your opinion. And then we have fact adjectives, something which is old. Now, if something is old, it's all for you, it's all for me. That's not an opinion, that is a fact. Okay, so two kinds of adjectives, opinion and fact. Always remember, guys, whenever you're going to describe something, your opinion will always come first, okay? So let's say you want to describe a bag that you bought and you think it's amazing. That's always going to come first. So whatever your opinion is, amazing, lovely, horrible, whatever, it's always going to come first, okay? Okay, just let me grab a pen. Okay, so now when you have your fact adjective, then you have your size. That's always going to come first. Then comes your age. Then comes your shape. Then comes your color. Then comes your origin, material, and purpose. Too many words to remember, isn't it? So what you can do is, this is the word to remember, people. This is the word. O, sash, comp. O sash comp. Is that easy? O sash comp. Yes, it is. So now, what does O mean here in O sash comp? O sash comp. O is your opinion. Okay? So that is your opinion. S is for size. A is for age. SH is for shape. C is for color. O is for origin. M for material. And P for purpose. Ta-da! Easy peasy. All you have to remember is this magical word, which is O sash comp. Okay? And you are sorted. Now, when I say all these in order, you don't have to use all of them. Okay? So, but here is an example which I have given. Again, I'm not saying you have to use all of them whenever you are describing something. Don't use all of them, okay? But just to give an idea, my lovely, which is my opinion, big, which is your size, new, which is the age of the thing that I'm talking about. Circular, shape. Brown, which is the color. Italian, which is the origin. Where is it from? It is Italian. Then material, which is your wooden. And purpose, it is a dining table. Easy peasy. Okay. O/comp. So my opinion comes first. That means it is lovely. Then comes the size, which is big. Then comes the age. It is new. Shape, circular. Brown, which is your color. Italian, which is your origin. Wooden, which is your material. And purpose is that it is a dining table. And that's it. That's all you have to remember. So this one magical word, which is O/comp. And then you are sorted. So what do we have to remember? We have to remember when we are describing something, our opinion will always come first and then followed by the fact adjectives, which are in this order. This order, okay? All you need to remember is this word. Now, if I say old, amazing Portuguese jute bag, how are you going to rephrase them? So first is going to come your opinion. Very good. So my amazing, what's going to come next? From these ones, if you look, old is what? Age. So very good. My amazing, old. And either Portuguese or jute, what is going to come first? What is Portuguese? Portuguese is? Yes, that's right. That is the origin. And what is the jute? Jute is the material. So you'll say, my amazing old Portuguese jute bag. So first, amazing old Portuguese jute bag. Ta-da! And that's it. That's all you have to remember. So from this video, you will remember this magical word, O/comp, okay? So next time you have something which you want to describe, remember this word and describe it. That's it for today. Thank you very much. I hope you liked. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye for now. See you.